years, I thought making music was this untouchable thing. Like, you needed a studio, expensive gear, maybe even a record label. So I stayed in my lane, just listening, not creating. But that means so many of our ideas, those melodies we hum in the shower, those beats stuck in our head during the day, never become real songs. And that's a shame, right? Because music is for everyone, not just the pros. Well, what if I told you you could take that one random idea in your head, a feeling, a phrase, a story, and in minutes, turn it into a complete beat track? No instruments, no expensive setup, no music skills at all. That's what I discovered with Udio. And today, I'm going to show you how it works step by step so you can turn your ideas into something you can actually hear, share, and vibe to. Firstly, head over to Udio, and there's just one box waiting for you. Type in your idea as simply as you text a friend. It could be something like, yeah, you can get weird with it, actually. The weirder, the better. Now, here's where it gets fun. You have multiple options. Want lyrics written for you? Just click Auto-Generate. Got your own lyrics already? Use custom lyrics. Only want the music, no singing? Choose instrumental. You can even upload your own music if you already have a beat you want to build on. And if you like to tweak things, Udio gives you pro-level controls without the headache. You can adjust length of your track, tempo if you want it faster or slower, prompt and lyrics, strength to decide how closely it sticks to your idea, clarity if you want vocals to shine or blend. Even choose generation quality, quick drafts, or a refined mix. It's all there, but none of it feels overwhelming. And that's it. In seconds, your idea becomes something real. A beat you can feel, a track you can play back, save, and even organize into folders or playlists. Want to refine it? No problem. Want to try a totally different style? Just type in a new idea and hit create again. Think about what this means. You don't need to know chords, mixing, or mastering. You don't need to spend months learning software. All you need is an idea, just a feeling or a story, and Udio turns it into something you can actually share with the world. So if you've ever thought, I wish I could make music, but I don't know where to start, this is it. Your starting point is literally one sentence. Check out the link in the description, try it out, and drop a comment showing me what you created. I'd love to hear your tracks. And hey, if this video gave you that push to finally create music, give it a like, subscribe to AIChief for more tools that turn creativity into reality, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Your ideas deserve to be heard. See you in the next one.